In a recent election speech in Rajasthan, Prime Minister and Bharatiya Janata Party's star campaigner Narendra Modi made hateful remarks targeting Muslims, India's largest religious minorities, referring to them as infiltrators, and those who have more children, and insinuating that they were exploiting resources and benefiting unfairly. Modi also misrepresented a statement by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, falsely claiming that Singh's government had prioritized Muslims for the country's assets. Modi's inflammatory and Islamophobic rhetoric sparked criticism from opposition leaders, rights activists, and leaders of Muslim organizations in India. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge called it as a hate speech driven by a desire for power. AIMIM chief and MP Asaduddin Owaisi said that since 2002 till this day, the only Modi guarantee has been to abuse Muslims and get votes. It's not the first time Modi's hateful remarks had come into light. A recent campaign rally in Uttar Pradesh Amroha Lok Sabha seat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took aim at sitting MP and Congress candidate Danish Ali, accusing him of refusing to chant Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Modi questioned whether someone who is unwilling to show reverence to their motherland should be permitted to hold a seat in the Indian Parliament. This attack on Ali follows a history of derogatory remarks and Islamophobic slurs directed at him within the parliamentary setting. In September 2023, BJP MP Ramesh Biduri targeted Ali with offensive language, including calling him a pimp, a terrorist, and using derogatory terms such as circumcised. Shockingly, at least two senior BJP leaders and former union ministers were observed laughing while these derogatory remarks were made. In another election rally in Udhampur, Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a decisive speech attacking opposition leaders, accusing them of disrespecting Hindu sentiments by consuming meat during the month of Sawan. Referring to a viral video featuring Congress former chief Rahul Gandhi and RJD leader Lalu Yadav cooking mutton together, Modi criticized the opposition for purportedly mocking Hindu traditions and beliefs. He asserted that such actions were aimed at deliberately attacking the cultural values of the country. Hundreds of complaints were filed to Election Commission of India, but no action was taken against him. The Election Commission of India at last responded to the complaints in a single statement: "We declined comment." This was ECI spokesperson's response. A day after the hate speech delivered, PM Modi defended his own remarks and said he was telling truth only. A plea has been filed in the Delhi High Court alleging Prime Minister Narendra Modi's violation of the Model Code of Conduct by purportedly soliciting votes in the name of God and place of worship. The petitioner contends that Modi's speeches have the potential to incite hatred among voters along lines of caste and religion. The plea seeks action from the Election Commission of India, urging the disqualification of the Prime Minister from the elections for 6 years under the Representation of People's Act. The petitioner emphasizes the urgency of the matter, citing the approaching voting date for the Lok Sabha polls. This legal action underscores ongoing tensions surrounding the use of Hindutva rhetoric in Indian politics, raising questions about the need for fair and impartial electoral process.